This is what they call the Grand Canyon of the Middle East.
It's like, now you can really see how far it goes. Do you know, say?
Woo! We are about 82,000 high up in the mountains. The famous Jebel Shams, the Grand Canyon of the Middle East. I'm wearing 3 layers, including the jacket. It was 9 degrees last night. Did not expect that, even though it is winter. Now, kind of regretting not taking it off, eh?
Season of the year, or
because there is no rain.
No rain.
Yeah.
But it can be there also in January, December.
See, the winter time from October until March. We don't get much rain in this.
Bah.